press the bell icon to never miss a video from POPxo Daily.
Hi guys, my name is Himani and welcome back to another episode of POPxo Makeup 101. And in today's episode, I'm going to share with you guys my top 5 favorite primer hacks. So without any further delay, let's begin. Hack number 1 is how to create your own brow primer. Hack number 2 is how to create your own illuminating primer to get that glow from within. Hack number 3 is how to create your own BB cream. Hack number 4 is how to create your own eyeshadow primer so your eyeshadow glides on and blends seamlessly. Hack number 5 is how to create your own lip and cheek tint. So I hope you guys liked this video and these hacks were helpful. Let me know in the comment section below which was your favorite hack, and because you love POPxo and our content so much, we got a surprise for you. What if I told you you could get your hands on all these amazing products just by signing up for MyGlamm POPxo Insider program and get ₹150 off on MyGlamm products. The link is going to be in the description box below, and for more such videos, like, share and subscribe to POPxo Daily.